All right, this is Ben, and this is Caden, and we're here to work on the tractor, and we're from the Old Car Redeemers. So let's grab the camera and let's walk around. So it's got flat tires. We'll have to pump those up. The back ones are good. Got a couple spider webs. Seat's nice. We do have a PTO back here, but I'm going to plan to use this here to pull a hay wagon. So it's going to be set up for a hay wagon. Let's take a look under the hood here. This is a Massey Ferguson. I believe it's a 47. And the carb's missing, but I do have a carb and I rebuilt it. So we're going to put a battery in it. We're going to put gas tank on top and run a hose down to the carburetor, and we're going to start this up and make it go and drive it onto the trailer.
Hold it. Shut off.
It got too hot. All right, shut her down. And then play it back and see if it gave you anything.
It's on.
Okay. So one thing I like about this Massey Ferguson is it's got plates for your shoes to sit on. So we're gonna shut it down for a minute. I'm gonna go get tire pumps and stuff, and we're gonna pump up the tires, and then we'll show you putting on the carburetor and the other stuff, and we're gonna make this run today. So we'll see you in a minute. Let's see if we can get this tire pumped up. Ooh, look at that. Tube almost disappeared in there. Gotta be a little more careful. PSI. Let's try this side now. We're going to put this carburetor on here. The only thing is the rod, the linkage that goes from here to there, I left it at home. So we're gonna make do with something else. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put that in there to run to that. Maybe. Turn like that. We got our nuts off of here. We'll slide that up in there. Put this onto there like that.
Sorry guys, the wind might be making the audio be kind of bad.
Yeah, our audio is going to suck today.
There's not really much more we can do about the wind.
Hold the camera so it doesn't blow away. I got that somewhat stopped. Found that part. Goes to that. We're going to take that back out. And we bought a different fitting to go in there. But we did check the radiator, and we'll show you in a minute. But it has antifreeze in it, and it's up where we can see it. So that's a good thing. And we did check the oil the other day when we first came by. And we're going to check it again and show you guys. Show you the oil. Well, we're getting it tight. flies are gonna take me away here pretty soon. All right, watch this. I missed it. I missed the fly. I might have to go get a different branch. And we're on the struggle bus today. Well, taking way longer than I thought.
Hey, it's not in a very friendly spot. What else can you do?
That's true. It's not in a real friendly spot. We're gonna get it though. I think that's almost there.
That's what you'd think. That's for sure.
Might have to use pliers on it. It's not wanting to work. Okay. I am not gonna tighten those up.
You're just gonna leave them like that?
Yeah, they're kind of corked on there. But I am gonna find.
I guess all we're trying to do for now is get it on the trailer.
Yeah, we're just wanting to get it on the trailer. I've got my choke wire there.
We'll do more work on it once we get it back.
And we're gonna pop that on. I'm hooking up the choke cable here. Sorry, I can't show it to you. It's
not in a very good spot. So.
It's this thing here. I got to open it up like that. So if you want to see like that, and it fits on a ball back in there. So I can't really show you. It's behind the carburetor.
So I'm afraid this right here is about the best we can do. So what's the story about this tractor? How'd it end up like this?
Well, I found it on Facebook, and the guy that owns it right now, well, we own it now, but before we owned it, there was a gentleman that owns 10 acres here, and he's using it to mow or do other stuff with. And I think, because the carburetor was missing, or taken off and taken apart, I found it in pieces. I think he left the gas in it over the winter.
I'm guessing that's a no-no.
Well, with the gas we have nowadays, it is a no-no, because then it, as a lot of you know, gas does not last like it used to. Nothing does anymore. I don't care who you are, it's not going to last like it used to. Alright, I might have to take the carburetor back off to get the choke on there. I don't know how they did this.
Hey, don't ask me. I wasn't around when this thing was made.
Yeah, it's 1947 or whatever it was. I don't remember. 37. It's an old one.
I'm pretty sure you told me 47.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing.
I'm not sure.
There's probably these guys that are watching it. It says, well, Ben, if you just look on the tag, it tells you. You know, this is my first time working on one of these. I have some Ford N9s. They're slightly different. I'm thinking that I'm going to like this tractor better. Sorry about that for the Ford guys, but this has overhead valves. So see, that's overhead valves up there. And that's easier to work on, I think. Then the other ones you have on the other side, there's a cover that you have to take off to adjust the valves. And that's one of the things that I don't care to do, but I know how. All right. There, that, man, there's just not enough light, and it's not in the right place. All right, you win.
All right, backwards progress?
Yes.
Is that the point we're at now?
Yes, backwards progress. Because when you're starting a tractor, you're going to need the choke. So, and this tractor used to be a 6-volt system, but someone has already been nice enough to convert it to 12 volt and put an alternator on it.
Speaking of which, if we have not shown you guys yet, we did set the battery up here in it. Now we don't have it completely hooked up yet, but it is there now.
Okay, so I got parts here to put fuel to this, and I got the starter fluid with the lubricant in it, so I'm not ruining my rings. And you're probably going to tell me it's going to ruin my rings anyway. Well, I'm hoping not to use very much of it.
Or any for that instance.
We're going to put gas in this, and the plan is to make this run right away, not have to. We're putting this barbed fitting so that we can get fuel into the carburetor. Yes, they say put Teflon tape on it, but you know what? It's
coming back off.
It's all going to be redone, and this is a tapered fitting, so it seals up a little better than just a straight fitting. All right, next I have a fuel filter. So we bought a fuel filter, and it says flow that way, so that means this goes in this way. Well, I didn't bring my screwdriver over from the truck. Well, we'll just do it this way. I'll leave the hose clamps on, and if we need them, we'll tighten them up with the screwdriver. And if I don't, they'll be there until I take them off.
Yeah.
But at least they'll be there.
Yes, and then if we do need them, we don't have to take it all back off.
We do need them. That ain't gonna hold gas. Okay, so well, once you show them the flat tires, because they didn't hold air, and I'll go get a screwdriver.
I'm gonna follow him anyways. I just showed you guys the flat tires. See how long it takes him to notice.
That's if they put my screwdriver back. How about if I put one of these in? That might be too thick. I'll bring them both. Okay, got.
Alright, so yeah, I'm sure you guys have not seen it yet. This is the truck, this is the trailer. Nothing too exciting here.
Well, a chariot ride home.
Yeah. Sadly, we'll need that guy again.
Yep, we will. But I need it on here.
Hold air. And since we got it over here, why not?
Yep, why not? could have done these with a socket too. It does fit.
Not very well with that little notch. I guarantee you someone's gonna have a cow because of the fact that we were using an electric screwdriver.
Oh, people use electric all the time. And this is my project, my video. If I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it wrong the way I want to do it wrong. So that's all right. See, wrong makes right. Yeah, we're on. It ain't coming off.
Nice.
I can twerk it just a little more. All right, done deal.
You made that work?
I did. And we're gonna make this work. And the flow is the right direction. So we're not putting a pump on, we're just gonna do gravity flow.
Hey, should work.
Sure it does. I do it all the time. All right, there's that. Our next thing is to grab another one of these.
Sorry guys, we do have other things going on here too
Yeah,
while
there's
we're
other
working on
people
this.
here.
So chances are you will end up hearing other things. We can't do anything about that. That thing really does not like staying on there.
Now it's a flat screwdriver setup, and that's okay. That one's done. All right, so what else do we got? Hook up the positive. The key's in it. Why don't you come around and show them the key and the dash? So we got a key here. We got gauges. We're almost ready to shut the hood and
see if it'll start.
yep.
Oh, and by the way, here's our gas tank.
Yeah, that is our gas tank. Oh, look what I found.
It was here all along.
Yes, it was. I tried to blame you. Okay.
It was your fault.
My fault. I take full responsibility. Do you know where the cutter key is for this? Is it in that tin?
It was in the tin, yeah.
Would you take the camera and go get the cutter key for me?
I can do that. Why do we have to park it so far away? I don't understand this. Oh wait, yes I do. There's trash. Found it. Oh, come here. I got it. Let's go. I would run, but I'm tired. It's been a long day. Poor thing's already got flat tires again. I got it.
Good. Because we're going to need it. Cotter key on this side, but it's pretty old. But I'll put it back in if I can keep it from falling out.
It's the idea, at least.
Focus my eyes. It's right behind. I think I'm gonna have to do it by braille.
By braille, that's always a good way to do it.
Get in your home. There it goes. All right, where's that cotter key?
Right here.
All right. Cotter pin. That's what it is. See, they would have corrected me. They would have said, hey, that's not a cotter key.
Yeah, I know some people who call them cotter keys, so.
That's a cotter pin. And I know the difference, and I should be calling it by the right name. I wouldn't want somebody to call me Joe just because they know that I'll answer to it. Just don't call me late for dinner.
Anything but that.
Yeah. I know. If you guys haven't figured out, I haven't missed a meal in a while, so.
What? No way.
That ought
There we
to
go.
stay. Are we still standing in that ant nest? I hope not.
Well, I just got an ant, so yeah, probably. There's one.
Yeah.
I found him. It's probably the one that got me.
Okay, we're ready to go to the other side, hook up the other battery. I gotta fix the whatever's making those tires go flat. That is just not acceptable.
Just smack it. It'll work.
I like sticking the wrench on here, pushing down, and giving it a twist. And then we can tighten it up, and that's if this battery's any good. It sparked real good the other day when I tested it.
But we didn't test it today, so.
All right. Well, we're about ready to learn if we even have well, I promised them that I would show them the oil. See, it's between full and danger. It's by the E.
Danger. I haven't seen it say danger before.
Yeah, but there we go. It's low, but above in the operating range. All right, before we get going too far here.
Checking that.
Oh, that looks really nice in there. I think I can make that work.
Yeah.
And that says number 1 right there, number 1. And there is number 1. Okay, next is fuel. That's this stuff here. I think we're done underneath the hood, so we're gonna close the hood. Kinda like that. And then we're gonna
Figure out where to put that.
well, I was thinking maybe right on top and put a ratchet strap on it. But we got to make sure it gets in the water. I'm getting the water. Listen to me, I can't even think. In the fuel. So we do it like this, and we open this because this won't go in that hole very good.
Nope.
We do have another hose.
Should we need it?
Well,
Not quite.
Derek at Vice Grip would be proud of me. We're going to put a strap right over the top. Just like that.
I'm holding our gas tank. It's red. Look at that. It matches it. Blends in. You'd never know. You never know that this isn't its gas tank. Blends right in.
You're silly.
What? No way.
that'll stay there.
Yeah. Look, certainly feels like it to me.
At least to get it on the trailer.
Oh, it filled up more. It looks like it's pretty well full now.
All right, we're gonna pump up tires. That means loud, yucky noises. We'll have to edit them out. And then we will start this up and drive it.
Hopefully, that's the plan at least.
That is the plan.
Drive it right over there.
All right.
Next thing you know, we're gonna have to stop halfway and pump the tires up again.
No. Once it's on the trailer. All right, here we go.
Well, let's see if she'll start, I guess.
I got a backup plan. No. How about more throttle?
Still got gas in the filter.
I don't think it's getting spark all the time. I think it does a little bit and then it doesn't. Oh, I could see I've been working on this before. They're not even using the ballast. Hot. Well, so it's getting spark. All right, we know it runs.
Now we figure out how to keep it running.
That doesn't matter. If this is full, that's full. All right, I got to get that flat screwdriver. Why don't you go grab the flat screwdriver for me? I'll do another walk around this thing. This thing has an oil bath filter in it. And some of you guys know what that is. Maybe most of you know what it is. But that's what it looks like on this tractor. This nice thing about this tractor, it's a 4-speed, and then it has reverse, which the Ford N9s don't have that. This is for lifting the 3-point hitch up back here. Look at those tires. Man, those are nice tires. Got a light on the back. I'll have to wire it up correctly because it's not wired correctly. This is our 3-point hitch. 2 down there and 1 up at the top.
Got a screwdriver.
All right, screwdriver's here.
Let's go.
Let's adjust this open a little bit more. All right.
Whoa!
I just put it in here when I was talking to him.
Apparently
Still
it's
in gear.
What is going on?
Is that neutral there? No, that's in gear.
Should we go ask him?
No, that's out of gear.
Well, hey, we know it drives.
It's not getting fuel. Oh, well, did you tell them that our camera overheated?
All right, sorry guys, we did not get to you guys to see us load this. Our camera overheated. But hey, that's what happens when you're out here in Arizona. So sorry about that, but we did get you guys back now, so.
All right, we're gonna strap this in and head for the barn.
Yeah. Do we just want to leave our makeshift gas tank up there?
Yep, we are. It actually, once I got it loaded, it idled from the gas that we had.
But getting it over and on, we had to run it off the starting fluid. So
Yeah.
I'm sure some of you will not approve of that, but
We cheated a little bit just to get it up.
it ran. That's what we're gonna say. So in all theory, I'd say this was somewhat of a success.